Welcome to the project demonstration of Bluetooth home automation. So here we are going to control the home devices like 4 bulbs. Here we are presenting them as, and that will be controlled through the Bluetooth mobile phone. So from this mobile phone application, when we touch this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So when we touch these buttons, then particular bulbs will be controlled. So here A, B, C, D is for on and E, F, G, H is for off the particular 4 devices. So coming to this input. So particular commands from the Bluetooth mobile phone received by the HC05 Bluetooth module, which was connected to the B0 B1 of our PIC16F72 microcontroller. So coming to this motherboard, we are going to provide the 12 volts inputs, and there will be a 7805 regulator and a capacitor. So after this we will get the 5 volts of pure regulated DC voltage, and that is the main power source to our microcontroller. And this one is the crystal oscillator, which will provide the 20 megahertz oscillating frequency. And here green light is program indication and red light is power indication. When we touch any key on this mobile phone, this particular green light is blinks, is indicated as it received the Bluetooth command, and based on the command validity, the controlling of this bulbs will be controlled through the electromagnetic relays. So these are the 4 electromagnetic relays, so which are operated at 12 volts. And here, so the main input source to the kit is from this power cable. So we are going to provide the 230 volts inputs, and after this transformer, so we are going to provide the 230 volts input to this transformer as well as to the bulbs through this electromagnetic relays. So this transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts of AC, and after this 12 volts of AC there will be a bridge rectifier on this circuitry. So this is the regular power supply circuit. So this circuit will convert the 12 volts of AC to the 12 volts of pulsating DC, and after this capacitor we will get the pure DC of 12 volts. So that was given parallelly to the relays through this 2 pin as well as to the motherboard from this 2 pin. So after this regulator, as we described, the 5 volts will be regulated, and the controller will start reading input from the HC05 Bluetooth module. And this is the reset switch just to restart the microcontroller. So coming to this relay board, so there will be like 4 transistors for the 4 relays. Why? Because the microcontroller can trigger up to 5 volts only. So the 5 volts trigger is given as trigger voltage to the transistor. The transistor will allow this 12 volts to the each relay. So each relay consists of each transistor as well as one LED indication also. It will indicate the relay status. And one more diode will be there, because we are using the electromagnetic relays. So the electromagnetic relays made up of copper coils. Whenever we are controlling that on and off operation, there will be a chance of back EMF will be generated. In order to neutralize that, we are connected the diode in reverse bias. Okay, so let us see the demonstration. Before switching on this kit, we need to install one application and switch on the kit. So then we can see this. Right, the light is on and off 2 times. Sorry. Right, so the light is on off 2 times, and now the Bluetooth module is blinking very fast. So now go to the Bluetooth settings of your phone and search for a device. So it will be appear as HC05. Right. So initially it will ask for the password. This is only the initial setup in any phone. 1 2 3 4 is a password. So next time you need to pair from the settings, because already is coming into the history. So now go to the application and now go to the options, connect to the device. So now our device is HC05. Once we pair that, so the particular blinking rate will be slowed down. Now it is paired. So in order to control the devices, just here we are touching that A, B, C, D. Okay, and off also E, F, G, H. So we can observe for every touch from this, we can see that the light is blinking. So when it blinks, the command received properly, and when the relay got switched on, the command executed properly. So this is a receiving indication, and this one is the execution indication. Right. So here we are interface the normal 20 watts bulbs. So in real time we can interface 230 volts operated 7 amp load at this section. So to this bulb sockets, we can connect the 7 amp load. Nothing but 1000 watts of load will be can be connected to this bulb. So whether you can connect the like refrigerator or a fan or a tube light, we can connect to the bulb holders instead of this 20 watts bulb. Thank you.